Hi, this is David Comfort from Democracy Action Network. Here's what's actually wild. The Supreme Court just gave a green light for ICE to ramp up its operations in Los Angeles without the need for probable cause. This ruling, which many are calling a blatant endorsement of racial profiling, is not just a legal decision. It's a significant moment that echoes historical patterns of discrimination and civil rights violations in America. What if I told you that this decision is part of a broader strategy by the Trump administration to intensify immigration enforcement in Democratic strongholds like Chicago and Boston? It's honestly crazy to think about how this administration is using the judiciary to legitimize actions that many see as fundamentally un-American. California's leaders have been quick to criticize this ruling, with Governor Gavin Newsom stating that it turns every individual into a potential target for federal agents, essentially criminalizing the very essence of immigrant communities. Ever notice how the rhetoric around safety is often used to justify policies that undermine personal freedoms? The Department of Homeland Security hailed this ruling as a victory for safety and the rule of law, but at what cost? Justice Sonia Sotomayor's dissent highlights the harsh reality. Countless individuals can be detained simply based on their appearance or accent. This is not just a legal issue, it's a moral one. The implications are profound. By allowing ICE to operate without probable cause, we're not just opening the floodgates for potential abuses, we're also reinforcing a system that disproportionately targets marginalized communities. This ruling embodies a pattern where the rights of the few are sacrificed for the perceived safety of the many, which is a dangerous precedent. Let's analyze the broader context. This isn't just about immigration. It's about how power dynamics play out in our society. The Supreme Court's decision reflects a troubling trend of prioritizing law enforcement over civil liberties. It's a puzzle worth understanding together. How do we confront these injustices while advocating for a fairer system? In conclusion, we have to be vigilant and vocal. This ruling is a call to action for all of us who believe in justice and equality. Together, we can challenge these unfair practices and work towards a future that respects the dignity of every individual, regardless of their background. The fight for civil rights is far from over, and it's up to us to ensure that history doesn't repeat itself. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. It would help out a lot. Peace.